Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So I am back with the episode 4 of my journey at the Miss Universe India pageant for my state of Uttar Pradesh, and if you haven't checked out the previous 3 episodes, go check them out right now. In this video, we are going to talk about the day 2 of the pageant, which was all about rehearsals, trials, and a very hectic day. So before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and let's get started with this one. Our call time on the day 2 was 9 a.m. and it was hosted at the Centrum Hotel in Lucknow. The day 1 was at the Dayal Gateway, and we started with our trials for the finale outfits, and which were 3 outfits: a silver or a black sequins dress. The second one was a Banarasi sari, I'm so sorry, and the third one was our finale gown. So when I went in, my 2 outfits were approved, but with the Banarasi sari, I was asked to get a red blouse, but I had gotten myself a golden one because I thought it looked better, but I think most of the girls had gotten red blouse with a red sari, so I was also asked to do the same. And while I was at the rehearsals, I immediately gave a call to my mom to go look for a red blouse, and she did. And I had to like bring it again on the next day. So we had to wear a pink dress with pink and purple was the theme, basically to give a Barbie kind of an environment. And after our trials were over, we were started with our opening dance practice. And by the way, you dance in heels, so it's basically not a hectic or a very technical kind of a regime. It's a very basic kind of a regime because everyone over there is not a dancer, so they don't expect you to know any kind of a professional dance, but you should know the basics so that you can at least perform at the opening dance. Or zyadatar pageant mein there is an opening performance, so if you are a pageant girly, I would recommend that you should take dance classes or something. And there, as I said, you dance in heels. So the practice for our opening dance started and it went on for 2 to 3 hours. But Miss और Mrs categories दो अलग अलग थे. So we started with the Miss category and उसका बाद हमारा lunch break हुआ, and then the Mrs category was supposed to perform, but हमारा एक भी बार जो ये रिहर्सल थी वो एक साथ नहीं हुई. So this was what happened. और ये मैंने mention किया है that हमारी रिहर्सल एक बार उस दिन एक साथ नहीं हुई. I'll tell you the reason why I mentioned this in the next episode, because there was a huge mess up that happened. So we were done with our rehearsals, and we had our pageant training session with the experts that were on the panel, that were the talent partners, and it was basically a walk and a Q&A session that happened. But ऐसा नहीं होता है that in your grooming you will learn your walk and your Q&A skills. You should be groomed beforehand, because there they just teach you the basics so that to just brush up your skills basically. There is no grooming from scratch happening over there. So if they are mentioning grooming sessions, don't take it as a chance to learn, but just take it as a chance to brush up your skills. And after our pageant training session got over, we had a basic intelligence test with Shailja Suri ma'am, and we were divided in groups of 5, and they were just asking questions based on general knowledge, and it was just about our basic intelligence. And I was in the top 5 of the BIT basic intelligence test, and it was also based on who answers the most quickly. So it was also really fun. We girls had to team up in groups of 5 initially, and then one group was selected, and then those were the top 5 for the basic intelligence test, and it happened very well. It was actually really fun. Initially we were thinking that it's going to be stressful because we were brushing up all our general knowledge, but it was just very basic questions, and it was basically fun questions. They were basically really fun questions because it was not just about general knowledge, but it was based on our mathematical skills. It was based on there were some riddles given to us, so it was really fun. And after that we had our choreography session, which was the choreography for the finale that we were supposed to follow. अब यहाँ पे there is this one very important thing that I'm going to mention. So there will be a show director, and वहाँ पे when you are guided about the finale choreography, you should be aware about your pageant, about your ramp basics. You should know what left channel is, what right channel is, what head ramp is, what mid ramp is, because वहाँ पे you will just, the show director will be on a mic and he'll be guiding you. Exit from the left channel, exit from the right channel, stop at the mid ramp, enter from here, and stop at the base ramp, and all of these terms will be used, so you should be aware. And if you want, I'll make a separate video about these ramp basics. So you should be aware of these terms. And that also went, we were given the choreography for our sari walk round. There was an Indian wear round in which we had to give our opening statements. तो उस दिन हम लोगों को सिर्फ बनारसी साड़ी में जो हमारी कोरियोग्राफी थी वो बताई गई. एंड उसके बाद देयर वाज सपोज टू बी एन ओपनिंग डांस सेशन, कोरियोग्राफी सेशन, बट वो नहीं हुआ. वी वर गिवन आवर डिनर्स एंड वी लेफ्ट बाय 10:30 PM at night. And I'm mentioning about the opening dance because there's a huge mess up that happened the next day, which I'm going to tell you in the next episode. But this was all about day 2. It was really hectic. I mean, I just told you about the sessions that happened, but it was really hectic because they were 3-4 hour long sessions that were constantly happening. We were having literally 10-15 minutes of a high tea or a lunch break. But we were constantly on, and after going back home I had done my talent round and stuff का rehearsal, because obviously we had a talent round the next day. और अपनी talent round video भी attach करूँगी in the next episode because it happened on 29th. So after that I went back home, I had my dinner, and after some time I just did my talent round, washed my hair because I had to do my hair the next day. The hair and makeup was supposed to be done on your own. So I did all of that and wrapped up with the day 2 of Miss Universe India for the state of Uttar Pradesh. So stay tuned for the episode 3. And if you have any queries related to pageant or about anything in general related to pageant or modeling, you can comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer that. And as soon as possible, I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay happy.